And here is a regional example of a seasonal coastal upwelling system. So it's called the Great Southern Australian Coastal Upwelling System. Okay, we have one here in Australia, in South Australia. It includes also the western coast of Tasmania. Anyway, so and you can identify it in sea surface temperature maps, also derived from satellites. There's one example of upwelling. Okay, shown here in the top image is a sea surface temperature, and this is for one example, 10th of March 1998. Okay, and you can see the South Australian Gulfs here. Okay, Kangaroo Island you can identify, and you can see indeed the coastline, and you can also identify a line here, and this is actually what we call the shelf break. So on the closer to the coast, it's about 100 to 200 meters, and further offshore it gets rapidly very deep. This is what we call the shelf. However, with the sea surface temperature, you can identify cold water near the surface. This is upwelling. The Bonny upwelling has been reported first by Lewis in 1998, but the discovery of the entire upwelling system was later. All right. And there's another. We call them upwelling centers. Upwelling is not everywhere, and again, it's spatially concentrated, confined. Okay, here's a zone of upwelling. Okay, and you can identify it with the lower image as again ocean color, chlorophyll concentration. You can see the red zones are the plankton blooms that are created by the upward movement of nutrients into the euphotic zone. You can see here in the eastern Great Australian Bight this big area. All right, so this is what we call upwelling systems, coastal upwelling system, and here in particular in South Australia, this upwelling actually is the key driver of the southern bluefin tuna industry. Okay, southern bluefin tuna, and they go out every year and actually catch the juvenile tuna and grow them in fish farms. Okay, in the Port Lincoln area. Okay, let's see what else we have.